Hi, hi guys. This is Arella. Okay. May secret kami. Okay. So for today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ayusin mo yung pajama mo. What do you think? Hindi pa. Basta pa yung hair mo eh. What do you think are the 3 things your friends would say you are really good at? What is
I
it?
like your talent.
So, sasabihin sa'yo. For example, give me one name of your friend.
Miggy, my best friend.
Your Miggy. Sasabihin sa'yo ni Miggy, he will give you three things about you that you really good at.
You are really good at.
Three things. For example, you are Miggy and I am Arella. Miggy, what did you say to Arella?
Wow, I like your talent, Arella.
I like your
Talent.
kasi pag sinabi mong talent, be specific. What talent? There are a lot of talents. Be specific.
Gusto mo yung talent nila?
3 things about you
Wow.
that you really good at. For example, ako si Arella, ikaw si Miggy. What will you say to me? Arella, you are good in
Dancing.
wow, dancing. Why?
Arella, you are good at singing.
Arella, you're good doing singing. What else? Bakit malabo yung
You're
salamin
good
ko?
Acting.
Wow, so that's 3 things.
Like this up.
Pang-artistahin yun ah. Parang Arella's good in that dancing, singing, and acting. Sige nga, give me a sample of your dancing. Muna dancing, the first one you said. Sige, kung magaling ka talaga mag-dance, you can dance without sounds, without music. Sige nga, make your own steps. Oo nga, very good nga si Arella sa dancing. So,
Handa kang mag-singing yung boses ko.
your friend Miggy will admire you for
Okay,
that.
acting.
Okay, acting naman. So, bibigyan kita ng something to act about. Kunyari, you are a beggar and you're asking for... Example nga, siyempre mag-acting ka eh. Huwag ka mamili na kung ano yung i-act
Ano
mo.
na lang, kunyari, may bad day, tapos
Inaano ka?
tapos mamamatay ako.
Kunyari mamamatay ka. Kunyari na lang,
Mamamatay na lang ako.
ay hindi magandang acting yun.
Okay lang.
Kailangan yung umiiyak. Yan ang mga magagaling na actor or actors.
Siyempre, di po.
They're very good in
Because they put
crying.
magic here.
No, they're good
How
actors.
does tears fall in their eyes?
It's real. It's the real. It's the
They
real
think-
tears.
They think of something sad, and then they cry.
Kasi
Ay, may button na gano'n. May button na gano'n.
ito yan ha. Before they act, they motivate themselves.
They practice.
Oo, syempre tama ka. They're thinking of something sad para maiyak sila.
Very, 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 very.
Sige nga, give me one acting. Sabi mo, good ka rin eh. Kunyari na lang, we are at the mall, tapos kunyari you're lost. What is your action about that? Sige. Okay, 1, 2, 3, action! Where's your face? Yeah. Kailangan talaga you're very very scared. Again, let me see your face.
Ulit. Action.
1, 2, 3, action.
Where are you?
You're laughing eh.
Seryoso na, remove the locks na.
Again, take 3. Take 3, action.
Mima, where are you?
Okay, very good. Pwede na rin. And all that.
Sa mama tayo, very dramatic ako.
Mm.
Bilis ko dyan, bigyan ka na. Harap mo ako, syempre.
Anong gagawin ko po?
Diba? Gaganto ka. Huwag dramatic ako.
Anong gagawin ko? Ano yun?
Sige na, pakita mo na yun. Mama.
Kaya ako yan, babarilin ko siya.
Hey, yung kamay mo.
Bam! Oh. Wow, ang galing ng acting.
No, practice. Practice by myself.
Oh, how about singing naman? How about singing?
Boses ko.
Oh, sige, kanta ka na yung isang favorite song mo. Yung kinakanta niyo sa school.
Ay.
Oh, water. You drink water.
Wait guys, water break. Water break mo ng artista.
Oh, water break mo na yung artista.
Okay.
Okay. Yung kinakanta mo sa school.
Glory, glory, true tally set for me. Bright touch of crystal of knowledge, heading highest dignity.
Wow, galing naman talaga nga.
Be the shining guide for all.
Wow, okay, cut. Very good. Very good nga pala si Arela sa dancing, singing, and acting. Pero mas pinakagusto ko sa kanya yung dancing.
Oh, isa pang acting. Give me one more example ng acting. Dapat dramatic naman. Ano na lang, pulang araw.
Drama na nga yung nawawala ka eh.
Hindi yun. Battling yun eh.
For example na lang, you lost again na. You lost
What
again.
were you?
Eh, sa drama din
You
eh.
lost your puppy.
Oh, kaya ngayon, you lost Happy.
Happy.
O, kunyari,
Puppy.
Happy, our cat.
Oh yeah.
O, kunyari, meron kaming Happy na cat eh. Cat si Happy. O, kunyari, acting, when you come home, it's gone na nga eh. Kunyari nga, when you come home, you cannot find Happy. Sige, tag mo na yan. Sige. 1, 2, 3, action.
Ito. I need to remove my laptop. Diba all actors do their acts? Pag-clap ka naman.
1, 2, 3, action.
Oh no, where's Happy? Happy! Happy! Where's my Happy? Happy! Happy! Happy!
Oh, paano yun? Nawala na si Happy. Anong next action mo?
Paano yung sad ko?
Bigla tumatawa
Paano
eh.
yung sad ko? Mukha akong palaka.
Okay. Ayan, nakita nyo na yung tatlong talents ni Rela ha.
Huwag ka nang tatlong ha.
Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for your
Ano yung talent mo?
answers. Huwag mo na akong tanongin, wala na akong talent. Thank you.
Ano ka?
Bye.
Ano calculating ng pera?
Bye, God bless.
Bye, God bless.